Thank you for tuning in to Happiest Places Home and another one of our holiday lookbooks. Today it's IKEA, and I think you'll be very pleased with their holiday selection for 2023. So I'll leave you to enjoy the items with beautiful music, and then please stay tuned until the end, and we'll show the Happiest Places Home top picks. sticking around until the end, and now it's time for the Happiest Places Home top picks. The advent calendar that's made of jute and cotton looks so natural, and it's only $6.99. That's a very small price to pay for something that you would probably keep forever. And it's really cute because you can tie your own gifts and surprises onto it, so you can make it very personal. This could be a new tradition for the family, and it just looks very natural and cozy. I just love the look of this glowing clear tree. It is made of polystyrene, so it's not a high quality material, but it does make sense at a price of $5.99. It has a wonderful ambiance, and I think one of the best things about this is it has a timer on it and it's battery operated. So you don't have to go through the trouble of taking the time to pop it on in the evening. So that's very convenient. I think it's a great product, and $5.99 is for the petite one. I didn't see the larger one offered yet on their website. The Strala LED string light set is really luxe for Ikea, and I definitely want this one for myself. So it's 14 feet, 9 inches long, and it's battery operated. It doesn't have a timer on it like the other item I mentioned, but it has a really warm glow and 40 lights on that garland. Just very sophisticated, and it is $12.99. I hope you enjoyed this lookbook and the top picks. If you also like Shop With Me videos with design trends, design advice, tutorials, then please take a moment to subscribe. And thank you for watching Happiest Places Home, the interior design channel.